Cryptographic forms of money are a previously unheard of innovation that can possibly reform the world economy. While some cryptographic forms of money, like Bitcoin, have become notable and profoundly esteemed, others continue to remain in the shadows. Aave, for instance, is a cryptographic money with the possibility to turn into a key part on the lookout. In this blog entry, we will investigate what assists Aave with standing apart among other digital currencies and why it could worth put resources into. We will likewise investigate the Aave value forecast and what elements could affect its future cost. Thus, moving along, how about we get directly into it? What is Aave? The Aave stage is a decentralized loaning convention based on the Ethereum blockchain. It permits clients to procure interest on their kept crypto resources and to acquire against them. The loan fees are set by the market, and the Aave convention guarantees that borrowers generally pay more than they get. This framework is intended to be trustless and straightforward, with all exchanges being recorded on the blockchain. Aave was established in 2017 in Switzerland, up until the rebranding in September 2018. Aave was known as ETH Lend. Not at all like customary loaning stages, Aave doesn't need a credit check or other monetary information. The stage doesn't require conventional insurance. All things considered, borrowers can utilize their crypto resources as security. This makes it feasible for anybody with crypto assets to get to loaning administration. Likewise, Aave utilizes an extraordinary convention called streak credits. Streak advances are momentary credits that can be taken out and reimbursed in a solitary exchange. This makes them ideal for brokers who need to make the most of market-amazing open doors rapidly. Finally, the stage has an implicit marking system that empowers Aave clients to procure interest on their crypto possessions. This boosts clients to hold their resources on the stage and guarantees that the Aave biological system stays sound and powerful. Together, these elements make Aave an extraordinary and strong loaning stage with massive development potential. Aave value analyses, as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Aave is $84.67, and Aave is as of now positioned No. 43 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of Aave is 14,093,193 Aave, with a market cap of $1,193,268,916.40. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has diminished by $2.59 in its ongoing worth. Aave is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. Aave has fallen by practically 1.79% over the most recent 7 days. With worries about the related dangers escalating in the beyond couple of days, we don't figure the coin would be a productive resource temporarily, despite the fact that it could major areas of strength for half. During the last month, the cost of Aave has expanded by 54.69%, adding a gigantic typical measure of $46.31 to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming it keeps on developing. Aave Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Aave costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Aave will be $117.33. The greatest level that the Aave cost can reach is $148.94. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $121.77. Possible return for money invested. 75.7% by Aave value figure for January 2023 in light of the value variances of Aave toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical Aave pace of $93.28 in January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $85.28 and at $95.94 individually. Expected return for capital invested. 13.2% by February 2023. Aave Value Gauge digital money specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the Aave cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $91.59, while the greatest could reach $100.61 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Aave may be around $95.14. Likely return for capital invested. 18.7% by Aave value figure for WALC 2023. Crypto experts have actually looked at the value vacillations of Aave in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Aave rate they anticipate may be around $97.05 in WALC 2023. It can drop to $93.49 as a base. The greatest worth may be $104.41. Expected return for capital invested. 23.2% by April 2023. Aave value figure around mid-year 2022. The Aave cost will be exchanged at $98.99 by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Aave worth to $109.27. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $95.43 in April 2023. Likely return for money invested. 28.9% by Aave value gauge for May 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Aave costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023. $100.97. The most reduced and top Aave rates may be $97.41 and $113.23. Likely return for capital invested. 33.6% by June 2023. Aave value figure. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Aave cost will be around $102.99. In June 2023, the Aave cost might drop to at least $98.55. The normal pinnacle worth may be $118.28 in June 2023. Likely return for capital invested. 39.5% by Aave value gauge for July 2023. Having broke down Aave costs, digital money specialists expect that the Aave rate could arrive at a limit of $123.43 in July 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to $100.60. For July 2023, the anticipated normal of Aave is almost $105.05. Likely return for money invested. 45.6% by August 2023. Aave value gauge. Around mid-2022, the Aave cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $108.20. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the Aave cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $104.65 and $128.68. Possible return for money invested. 51.8% by Aave value conjecture for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Aave worth won't dip under at least $106.81. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is $133.01. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $110.36. Possible return for money invested. 56.9% by October 2023. Aave value figure. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly examined the scope of Aave costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their gauge is the accompany. The greatest exchanging worth of Aave will be around $138.53, with a chance of dropping to at least $109.23. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $113.67. Possible return for money invested. 63.4% by Aave value conjecture for November 2023. In light of the value vacillations of Aave toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Aave pace of $118.22 in November 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $114.67 and at $144.21. Separately, likely return